A Rooster and a Phoenix. Once upon a time, there lived a man. People called him Sundar Kim. One day, he went to a market and found a man selling a rooster. Sundar Kim asked the seller,
"Oh, what kind of a bird is this?"
Oh, don't you know this bird?
No, I don't.
The seller thought to himself,
This man doesn't even know what a rooster is. What a silly man. Maybe I can trick him and make some money. This bird is a phoenix.
Phoenix? Is it really a phoenix?
Yes, it is. This bird was born in heaven. The King of Heaven raised this bird and gave it to me. It never dies. Buy this bird and you will be rich.
Oh, really? That sounds great.
but Sundar Kim was very smart. He knew the seller was lying. Sundar Kim thought to himself,
Oh, this man is making light of me. He thinks I'm stupid. I'll teach him a lesson.
Buy this bird, will you?
How much is it?
It's 1 gold coin.
1 gold coin? It's really cheap. I'll buy it.
You are really lucky today. Goodbye.
Thank you. Phoenix, let's go home.
when Sundar Kim went away, the seller burst into laughter.
Ah! What an idiot! He is the biggest idiot that I've ever seen. He doesn't even know what a rooster is. Ah!
But that day, Sundar Kim saw the king and his servants passing by. He ran to the king.
Stop! Stop!
What are you doing? Get out of the way! Move!
Leave me alone. I have something to tell the king.
The king saw Sundar Kim and allowed him to speak.
Your Majesty, I would like to give this bird to you. It is a very special bird.
Really? It's just a rooster.
A rooster? No, sir. This bird isn't a rooster.
Then what is it? Is it a hen?
No, no, no. It's not a hen. This bird is a phoenix. This is the legendary bird, the phoenix. The phoenix has enormous powers. It can protect you from enemies. It can beat many enemies with one hit. It never dies. It was born in heaven, and the King of Heaven raised it.
Ha ha ha! You're joking!
No, I'm not. That's what the seller told me. I spent 1 gold coin for this bird.
What? 1 gold coin? The seller cheated you.
No, he didn't. It's cheap for a phoenix. I bought this bird to give you, Your Majesty, because only kings have this bird.
Thank you. You're so loyal to me. I will take the bird, but I will punish the seller. He lied to you and cheated you. Hey, find the seller and take him to jail.
Is he the seller? Yes, he is. He sold me the bird.
You should go to jail. You cheated him. Oh no, please forgive me, please!
Did you think I was being silly? From now on, don't look down on others. Ha ha!
The seller regretted what he had done, but it was too late.